How to check logs on Kodi. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can check logs on Kodi. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let us jump right into the video. The first thing you want to do is open up your Kodi, and then from here simply you just have to click on the gear icon on the top of your screen to head over to your settings menu. Once you land on the settings page, you'll have different options like player, media, PVR and light TV services, and more. You just want to click on the system settings. And then from here, on the left side, you have different options like display, audio input. You just want to head over to the login option at the very bottom. And then you can simply click on the enable debug login option on the top of your screen. So just click on it. And different information like your CP, your memory location, and then your logs will pop up on your screen. So just head back to your screen and then head back to menu section. Now you can search for anything that you are looking for on the log section. Now head back over to your log section and then simply click on show event log. And once you click on show event log, as you can see, it has successfully been started. So you will see all of your event logs right here. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next video.